Hey everyone, welcome to a very special video. Today I am taking you behind the scenes of my son's birthday celebration with the extra special fudgy chocolate cake I baked just for him. Making cakes for my family's occasion is truly a joy. Let's get our cake pan ready. I'll show you my easy trick for cutting the butter paper perfectly to size. First, cut a square of butter paper equivalent to your pan size. Fold it into a quarter and fold it 2 times to make it a triangle. And take the final measurement with the pan. Mark the edge by folding. Then make a cut along that mark. And just like that, we have the perfect circle. Now with a quick spray of oil, our butter paper goes in. Since I am using a single pan, I have also lined the sides to ensure our cake comes out beautifully. Spray with oil again. Now for our batter, I am separating 3 eggs. Whites in one bowl, yolks in another. Please make sure there is no eggshells in the white and yolk. Now we'll beat the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. This is key for a light texture. Then add the egg yolks and mix until just combined. Next, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma, followed by 120 ml of oil added little by little as we continue to beat. Then add 240 ml of milk. Now it's time to sift our dry ingredients. 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 75 grams of rich cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And of course 400 grams of sugar for sweetness. Gently mix everything using the cut and fold method. This ensures to keep the batter airy. See this consistency, that's what we are aiming for. To achieve that wonderful fudgy brownie-like texture, I decided to pour all this generous quantity of batter into one single pan. Yes, it's a big one. I preheated my OTG to 180 degrees Celsius and into the oven it goes. Because it's such a large quantity of batter, it took about 1 hour for me to cook perfectly. The time may vary depending on your OTG. So patience is a virtue when you want that fudgy perfection. And here it is, our beautiful fudgy chocolate cake, fresh out of the oven. Once it's cooled, I carefully cut it into 3 even layers. Setting them aside, ready for the magic of icing. For our delicious icing, here's a tip. Place a chilled bowl on top of a large bowl filled with ice cubes. Now, pour in your cold whipping cream and start whipping. As you whip, add powdered sugar little by little to sweeten it to your taste. Keep going until you reach the desired consistency. It did not get to a stiff peak for me, but that's okay. In the end, the taste is what truly matters, right? Before we start with the cream, I have boiled some sugar with water to make a simple syrup. I will now brush this on top of each cake layer. This is a great tip to add extra sweetness and ensure our cake stays wonderfully moist. With our beautiful fluffy cream ready, let's start layering. Spread a generous amount between each cake layer. Then coat the top and sides, making sure the cake is completely covered. To get that classic forest look, I'm using some grated chocolate and spreading it onto the top and sides of the cake. This adds texture, and even more chocolatey goodness. And just like that, our homemade fudgy chocolate cake is ready. We absolutely loved celebrating my son's birthday. Seeing his happy face enjoying this cake makes all the effort worthwhile. Moments like these truly make baking for my family so enjoyable. This cake, with its fudgy brownie-like feel and delicious icing, was a huge hit. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more baking and cooking adventures, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.